Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to manage downloads in your Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. So to this operation, go to settings, go to the system apps updater, let the phone download some files. Yep, so we're going to update a few files to manage them. Click on the right here, click on the manage download. And as you see in this place, we can manage of downloads in our phone. Yep. So you can stop of every single pause of every single files. Yep. You can delete if you want to stop every download right now, and you can resume if you wish to download some things or files in your phone. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you in the next video. Hey!